Jesus, if you're God's son, and Easter is supposed to be joyful, why did God let you die in the first place?
Because real love sacrifices. I gave my life so yours could be eternal. Easter began with my death, but it didn't end there.
Couldn't God just fix the world without all that pain? Why the cross?
The cross was love's loudest voice. It wasn't about punishment, it was about rescue. Sometimes love chooses pain, so others don't have to carry it alone.
But it's still sad. When I hear about what you went through, it hurts.
And it should, because Easter is real. It's not just a celebration. It's a reminder of what love endured, and what love conquered.
So you're not still dead, right?
No, my child. The tomb is empty. I'm alive, and I'm with you. Not just on Easter, but always.
Then what does Easter really mean?
It means death doesn't win. It means hope rises. It means I did this for you, and nothing can separate us now.
Thank you, Jesus.
Always remember, Easter isn't just about what happened to me. It's about what I gave to you, life that never ends.